Take your AI character design to the next level. With this workflow, you'll be able to create characters and assets and then bring it all together with a super simple technique. Want to know how? I'll explain it in just 2 minutes. Let's go! Let's start with the prompt to create characters and assets. You can find it on my X account and I leave the link in the description too. Copy it and then head over to Remix. The download link for the app is also in the description. You can try it for free, and if you leave your Remix username in the comments, I'll give you early access to the latest version. So let's go there and we'll create an image from text. So paste the prompt and replace character by the character we want to create. Let's make a king, for example. So choose the Dynavision Excel model, you know it's one of my favorites for creating video game characters, and select an aspect ratio. Go back and hit generate. In a few seconds we have our character ready. Now let's create the assets. The prompt is almost the same, you can find it in the expose too. So let's start with a shield, for example, and here are the other results as well. Now let's go to Photoshop Beta. And with the lasso tool, select the crown area. Choose generative fill, write a simple prompt, and attack the image we generated. Hit generate, and that's it. You have 3 results to choose from, or you can keep trying. Continue adding the rest of the assets, armor, boots, sword, and done. It looks perfect. As you can see, this is a super simple and clean way to add assets to our characters and customize them to the max. What do you think? I'd love to know if you are going to use this in your projects and what other tutorials you'd like to see on the channel. Remember to subscribe too, it helps me a lot, and you can also find me on other social media platforms like X, TikTok, Instagram, and of course Remix, where I already have over 100,000 followers. TechHalla signing off. Bye bye guys.